Hey, what's up guys? Do you want to know what is it like to be in OD's passive income lifestyle program? If yes, I'll be sharing on how I got myself into this program, my experience and whether this program is legit. So, stay tuned. Let me introduce myself. I'm Kazi from Malaysia and currently I'm still working full-time as an IT engineer. Before taking this passive income lifestyle course, I was not having a clear direction. I know a bit on the concept of affiliate marketing, but it is just on the surface. So the challenge is I don't even know whether I'm on the right track or what I'm doing is correct. It's quite frustrating and I've already feel the need to have a mentor to guide me on my path. Why did I choose this program? I just need to get a mentor because after some point my motivation is gone and I feel stuck, and when I ask people around me, they would say affiliate. What? Never heard of that. Secondly, because OD answered my questions on YouTube when I have doubts to join this program. I believe that helps me to comfort me as a future student. Thirdly, I did some research before I joined because I just need to make sure OD is not a fraud. Sorry for telling this, but I believe it's fair enough, right? There's a lot of comment out there trying to get our money, but I can assure anybody who watched this, OD is legit. Just to let you know, people are comparing programs out there, and if the program is not good, news travels fast. As for the results from the program, I gained a lot of skills and confidence. The fact that I'm willing to be in front of camera today is thanks to OD. I even have reviewed OD's program, but I don't mind to make another review for your program, OD, because I'm happy to do it for you. Skills such as taking a video like this, doing a great review, never ever stop on the effort, focus on effort not result is all the skills that I gain. So it's technical and soft skills as well. Sorry, but I cannot list down one reason why I love the program, because there's a lot of things I love about the program and not only one. I love the live stream because it is just a privilege by joining this program. Although I might not be able to join sometimes due to my time zone, but OD have even reviewed my website before. That's a direct feedback from my mentor, man. What else do we want, right? Another thing is email template for sales funnel. OD might think it's a simple thing for him, but it helps me a lot. At least cut my effort into half and learn some copywriting from that email template. I also love OD's house tour and his washing machine because it's the same as my house. Joke aside, apart from that, what I love about OD's program is the chance given to us to become his affiliate by promoting his course. I need to put more effort on that for sure. I would recommend this program to people with 9 to 5 job because there's a lot of uncertainty in today's world. You might have your job today but not tomorrow. You will never know. Anything can happen in 24 hours. So for me, this program equipped me with knowledge that I need to start my own passive income. For those who watch this, you need to start now, not when you are laid off, because that's a bit too late. So I believe that's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I have new videos. Good luck in your future, OD. Not forgetting your crew. I think they are doing a really good job helping you. And please continue to make great content for your course. See you guys later.